Welcome to beautiful Honolulu.
I found in chess an opportunity for me to grow professionally. I have found a great platform for growth and education, networking. I have made friendships that lasted forever.
Chess is more than just an exceptional educational opportunity. It's a community.
The people here are so friendly, and I think being at chess for like 4 or 5 days and getting all the information, it just makes you a better clinician and a better educator.
Bring your heart to work. That's really the most important thing that you can do.
I think everyone should come to this meeting, not only intensivists, pulmonologists, or sleep doctors. Anyone who's like an MP, APP, even a medical student would benefit from coming to the chess meeting.